बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम रब्बिश्रह सदरी वयस्सिर ली अमरी वाहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली. Assalamu alaikum my dear students. I'm your teacher Ms. Shakti Afif and today I'm going to teach you about climograph. Alright, so let's begin. Alright, so students, climograph, that's mean the word climate, right? It's coming from climate, and in climate it consists of two main things, right? The one is temperature and another is rainfall. So it's the combination of temperature and rainfall. Alright. We'll be mainly asking you about the questions regarding the temperature and the rainfall. That's it. Okay. Or if we talk about overall climate, ये हम आपको आगे बताते हैं जब overall climate की बात की गई है तो क्या करना है. Okay. So here we go. Alright. Let's observe the map over here. Study figure 2.1 and 2.3. Okay, let me tell you, I have taken up this graph from the past paper year 2023. Alright? Okay. Climate graph showing rainfall and temperature for Multan and Lahore. This one is Multan. This is Multan and this is Lahore. Alright. First thing to understand, students, the first thing that you need to understand is that how the graph is being given. Please check 0, 10, 20, 30, 40. That means the distance in the single bar over here is basically of the single bar over here. It is having 10 boxes. Okay. And each box, I'm talking about temperature right now. You need to focus. Each box in temperature is equal to 1 Celsius. I'm talking about temperature. It's not same about rainfall. That's the key to understand. Alright, that's you need to understand. That when we are talking about temperature, okay, you need to observe that in temperature, a single box of the graph is equals to 1 Celsius. Alright. Now let's just observe students about the graph that we are having for the rainfall. In rainfall, it's 0 till 50, 100, 150, 200. What is it showing? That's mean the bar over here is one box is equals to 5 millimeter. That you need to understand, right? That one bar over here, one box is equals to 5 millimeters. Is the concept clear? I repeat again. So on right hand side you are having rainfall, on left hand side your temperature. Alright, now one more question. Teacher, how you are getting what is rainfall and what is temperature? These questions sometimes you don't remember what is temperature, what is rainfall. It's not mentioned either over here. You need to understand as a geography student that you need to focus it a line graph always represent temperature, whereas bar graph will always represent rainfall. ये फिक्स माइंडसेट है, बिल्कुल फिक्स. हम रेड लाइट पे रुकते हैं ना सिग्नल पे, बस वैसा ही ये रूल फिक्स्ड है, राइट. The line is going to be temperature, whereas bar is going to be rainfall. ठीक है, इसमें ये कभी चेंज नहीं होगा, ये कांस्टेंट है. Alright, okay. So two important things to understand: line graph is for the temperature, whereas bar graph is for the rainfall. Second thing to understand, alright, is that in temperature the single box is 1 Celsius, whereas in temperature the single box is of 5 millimeters. So you need to focus on the graph and look into the data that has been given to you. Now I am moving towards to read and interpret the graph. Students, at first look, at first glance, what do you saw in the graph? Can you just differentiate yourself? Give yourself a time and look into the graph. What my observation is, I'll tell you in a while, but I want you to think right now. Take a break, pause the video, now look into the graph. What is the first thing you identify as the difference? Alright? I hope you have done that, and let's see what was your observation. Let me share mine. The first thing, बहुत सारे differences हैं, but the first thing that I observed, right, was, भाई जरा side पे हट जाओ. Alright, the first thing that I observed was Lahore having about 250 millimeters of rainfall, whereas there I cannot see any rainfall in Multan like such. As such, there is no rainfall. तो इट शोज मी कि जी लाहौर में तो बड़ी बारिशें हो रही हैं इस साल, और मुल्तान जो दिखा रहा है मुल्तान में तो बारिश हुई नहीं. दिस इज द पर्पस ऑफ क्लाइमोग्राफ, टू अंडरस्टैंड इमीडिएटली By looking at the first glance, we understand and able to differentiate between the two climatic conditions, alright, of two cities that has been shared with you. Okay, let's move ahead and now start solving this question. How to solve the question? Let's do it. Complete figure 2.1 and figure 2.2 to show the rainfall for Multan and Lahore in August using the information below. Alright students, now please check that Multan and Lahore, they are saying in the month of August, Multan is having 35 millimeters of rainfall. और मुल्तान कहाँ है? Here we go. Here we are having मुल्तान. ये जी आ गया आपका मुल्तान. तो जी अब हम क्या करें? आपको जनाब ढूंढना है कि मुल्तान में 35, this is the month August. अब हम 35 पे कैसे जाएं? So let's start counting the boxes, alright? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Over here we are having 35. Okay, so you will be drawing a bar graph and you will be completing this diagram. Alright. Oops, my bad. Okay, so students, see, मुझसे इतना ही हो सकता था screen पे. So I hope you understand. So you need to just count the boxes and make sure that you are reaching till 35. I guess somehow मैंने 40 को भी touch किया. So avoid that students. Okay, it's not like that at all. Okay, so from 50 if I move again, yes, 50, 45, 40 and 35. Okay, with the dot, I'm almost there. Okay, so you need to count the boxes and then you need to complete the graph. Okay, I hope the concept is clear. If not, please do comment me. I will definitely explain you more with this. Okay, let's move ahead. Now they are asking you about the rainfall of Lahore. It's 175. And in which month they are asking you? They are asking you in the month of August. Alright, again, so it's about August all again. Okay. Where is August? Here is August. Okay, 175. So, 0, 50, 100, 150 and now it's time for 175. Okay. अगर हम 175 की बात करते हैं थोड़ा zoom कर लेते हैं. Okay, this is the maximum zoom I can do. Okay, so now 150, 155, 160, 165, 170, 175, 175. Exactly, here it is, 175. So you will be making a bar and over this entire area, right? So you people need to make the bar over this. This will be representing 175 millimeters in the month of August, right? So this is students, you get several questions in completing. The first question is mostly about completing the graph. They give you an incomplete pattern. You need to complete this with the help of the given data that they provide you. The CI provides you, right? I hope this concept is clear. Shall we move ahead? Okay. So the first question was complete figure 2.1, 2.2. We have done that. Now let's move towards the second question. Remember, again I'm saying this is past papers 2023 year. In this question, this was arrived in that year and we are solving the question of 2023. Alright. So using figure 2.1 and 2.2, only compare the climate. बात आ गई climate की students. In the beginning of my video, I told you climate is about rainfall and temperature. Together, if we talk about climate, we talk about these two things, right? The rainfall and the temperature. So when they are asking you compare the climate of Multan and the climate of Lahore, my students, please note that. Mark the words what I'm saying, understand, please remember these things, okay? Now I'm explaining how to do this. We will be discussing the answer of it according to the marking scheme provided by CI, but let me explain you how to attempt the answer. Because whenever you are getting a question in geography and a command word compare is written, whenever command word compare is written, there are two possibilities. Okay, if the question involves 3 marker, what we do? We write one similarity and 2 differences. Okay, if the question involves 3 marks and if the question involves 4 marks, then what we do? We write 2 similarities, 2 differences. Okay, this is the CI explain marking scheme. Okay, over here they have given you the question regarding compare, and this question is of 3 marks. See, majority time we are having questions regarding compare the rainfall or compare the temperature, और एक possibility होती है कि they give you the question of compare the climate. Here we go. यहाँ आपको उन्होंने दिया है compare the climate. Now how to attempt these things? Please understand. Okay, so when they are asking you compare the climate, it's not about only temperature, it's not about only rainfall. It's about climate, right? So in climate, when we are doing a comparison, right? In a climate, when we are doing a comparison, how to attempt? You will write one similarity of both of them. You know, what is the similarity in the pattern of टेम्परेचर एंड रेनफॉल ओवरऑल, किसी भी एक की आपको सिमिलैरिटी देनी है. आप चाहो तो रेनफॉल की सिमिलैरिटी दे दो, आप चाहो तो टेम्परेचर की सिमिलैरिटी दे दो. यू विल बी गिविंग अ सिमिलैरिटी ऑफ एनी वन. इज दिस क्लियर? एंड देन यू विल बी गिविंग वन डिफरेंस ऑफ टेम्परेचर and one difference of rainfall. Alright, how to do this? There will be one similarity and two differences. Why the pattern is like this? Because beta, the pattern is like this because it is a compare type question. When we are asking about a compare type question, and then we are doing one in a climate, when the term word is used, कंपेयर द क्लाइमेट ऑफ मुल्तान, यानी आपसे क्लाइमेट पूछा जा रहा है, आपसे सेपरेटली ये नहीं पूछा गया कंपेयर द रेनफॉल एंड कंपेयर द टेम्परेचर, क्योंकि ये क्वेश्चंस भी आते हैं और हम इसकी भी अभी आगे प्रैक्टिस करेंगे. ओके, अगर आपसे क्लाइमेट के बारे में पूछा जा रहा है तो इट्स सिंपल, यू विल बी गिविंग वन सिमिलैरिटी, वन डिफरेंस वर्सेस क्लाइमेट एंड द अनदर डिफरेंस बिटवीन रेनफॉल, बोथ आर सेम थिंग. चलो आगे डिस्कस करते हैं. सीआई की मार्किंग स्कीम देखते हैं, उसके अकॉर्डिंग आपको समझाते हैं. ठीक है, हियर वी गो. All right. Using figure 2.1 and figure 2.2, ये बेटा CI की marking scheme है and from there I'm explaining it. Compare the climate of Multan with the climate of Lahore. All right. How you will be comparing the climate? Let's see. Okay. Lahore has high, more rainfall. Multan has the low or less rainfall. What is it? It is a comparison between the rainfall they have done. Lahore is having more rainfall, whereas Multan is having less rainfall. Sorry, I repeat again. Lahore is having high rainfall. हमने कैसे समझा था high rainfall से? Because we observed कि जो मुल्तान की highest rainfall थी, that was 275 or 270 millimeters, right? ऐसा ही था. ये चेक कर लीजिए. यहाँ देखिए, जो आपके पास जो लाहौर की, my bad, मैंने मुल्तान कह दिया. All right. जो लाहौर की हमारे पास highest rainfall है, that is 250 millimeters, whereas कहाँ जा रही है हमारी मुल्तान की हाईएस्ट ऑलमोस्ट 50-55 मिलीमीटर्स पर है. देयर इज अ ह्यूज डिफरेंस, है ना? तो इससे पता चलता है कि हाईएस्ट रेनफॉल किस सिटी की है? लाहौर की. तो हमें इसी को एक्सपेक्ट कर देना है अपने डिफरेंस में. ठीक है, आगे चलते हैं, दोबारा देखते हैं. ओके, हियर इज द मार्किंग स्कीम. व्हाट इज द मार्किंग स्कीम सेइंग? लाहौर हैज हाई, मोर रेनफॉल. मुल्तान हैज लो, लेस रेनफॉल. ठीक है, आप ये डिफरेंस भी लिख सकते हो. मुल्तान हैज हायर टेम्परेचर, लाहौर हैज स्लाइटली लोअर टेम्परेचर. आप एक ये डिफरेंस भी दे सकते हो. हमने एक्सप्लेन कर दिया, एक हमने डिफरेंस दिया रेनफॉल का, एक डिफरेंस दिया हमने टेम्परेचर का. और अब हम फोकस करते हैं, बोथ हैव लोएस्ट टेम्परेचर इन जनवरी, बोथ हैव द हाईएस्ट टेम्परेचर इन जून. Any of the similarity that you can observe in the climograph, monthly basis wise, you can compare that. All right, it's a comparison question. You will be comparing. But if you talk about me students, I always explain my students to mention the units. I prefer, it's better that you mention the units as the units are mentioned over here. Highest temperature in Multan is 36 degrees Celsius versus in Lahore 35 degrees Celsius. This is the pattern that I ask my students to follow. It's better to mention the cities with their units. You know, we are mentioning the months and we are mentioning the units. All right. Highest temperature in Multan is 36 versus in Lahore. And what is this written? Accepted. यानी कि अगर आप 1 Celsius तक आप थोड़ा सा आपका डिफरेंस आएगा तो accepted होगा. सिमिलरली हम लोग CI इस तरह एक्सेप्ट करते हैं, सेम हम टीचर्स भी यही मार्किंग स्कीम फॉलो करते हैं। तो ओके, आप परेशान ना हो जाना कि जब आपके फ्रेंड और आप लोग आंसर मैच करो, माय गॉड वन मार्क का डिफरेंस आ रहा है, ओह इट्स फाइन, 1 सेंटीमीटर का डिफरेंस आ रहा है, कोई मसला नहीं। तो इस तरह की एक्सेप्टेंस CI में होती है। ओके, ये मैं आपको मार्किंग स्कीम के ही थ्रू बता रही हूँ। ओके, आइए बढ़ते हैं। अनदर फैक्ट जो वो हमसे शेयर कर रहे हैं कि एक और पॉसिबिलिटी है, एक और आंसर इस तरह का भी हो सकता था कि लोएस्ट टेम्परेचर इन मुल्तान है 13 सेल्सियस वर्सेस लाहौर है 12 सेल्सियस। ऑलराइट, अगेन प्लस माइनस यानी कि इतना डिफरेंस एक्सेप्टेबल होगा। अगर आपने 13 की जगह 12 कह दिया या 13 की जगह आपने 14 कह दिया, तो ये इतना वो लोग एक्सेप्ट कर लेंगे। ऑलराइट, मीन टेम्परेचर मैं आपको आगे बताती हूँ कि यहाँ पे जो मीन टेम्परेचर लिखा गया है उससे क्या मुराद है, इनकी क्या क्या बताना चाह रहे हैं, व्हाट इज मीन टेम्परेचर and how do we calculate mean temperature, I'll be explaining you in a while inshallah. Alright students, let's focus on the comparative rainfall data. Over here, total rainfall is 193 millimeters, whereas 686 millimeters. What have they done? They have calculated all months, the 12 months data they have taken out first, then they have added it and they are sharing the comparative data. You can write the answer in this way also. It is a little bit time taken, but if you want, you can do this too. Alright. Highest rainfall in Multan is 60 millimeters versus in Lahore is 250 millimeters. Okay, I have shown you with the help of the graph also. Lowest rainfall in Multan is 0 millimeters versus in Lahore is 4 millimeters. Right? And with this, I asked my students to mention the months also. Over here, obviously, I is not mentioning the month, but I, as a teacher, I recommend you all as a trainer that kindly please mention the month. It will give weightage to your answers. Okay? So, my dear students, I just ask you again, in a compare type question, we are discussing the possible answers, one similarity, two differences. How you can write the differences, how you can write the similarity. Here I have shown you and explained you with the help of the marking scheme that CIs have given us. Alright, this is the year 2023 in which the question was right and the question was same and we are solving it out. Okay, I hope the concept is clear. Okay, now let's just move on. Now students, I need to explain you, it's not only about climate. Now just consider, अगर यहाँ पे क्लाइमेट ना लिखा गया होता और लिखा होता कंपेयर टेम्परेचर ऑफ मुल्तान विद द टेम्परेचर ऑफ लाहौर, तो आप कैसे कंपेयर करते? हाउ डू यू कंपेयर? ओके, व्हाट वाज द वन थिंग दैट यू लुक इनटू दिस ग्राफ एंड यू आर अंडरस्टैंडिंग कि अच्छा मैं इस तरह से कर लेगा. So first I suggest you people that check out the highest and the lowest. In which month you are having Multan is facing the highest temperature, and in which month Lahore is facing the highest temperature. Let's just check it out together. Okay. So in the month of June, over here I can see this is for me. This is the highest point of Multan as a temperature, and I can see that there is the highest point of temperature is also in the month of June. So now tell me students, are we able to get the similarity instantly? जब हम highest और lowest ढूंढने गए, हमें तो similarity मिल गई highest में. Alright, so what is the similarity? Both the months are facing highest temperature or observing highest temperature in the month of June. Now this is the similarity. That's it. Okay. आपने सिमिलैरिटी ढूंढ ली. ये हम सिर्फ अगर टेम्परेचर की बात करें, हमने यहाँ रेनफॉल का कोई जिक्र नहीं करना. ओके, क्योंकि अब मैं आपसे कह रही हूँ कि अगर टेम्परेचर के अकॉर्डिंग. So students, if I talk about one similarity, one differences, the marking scheme I have shared with you all. The list of marking scheme is available. That means the list of possible answers is available over here. All right. So beta, now let's moving ahead. I hope the concept is clear. If you are having, again I'm repeating, it's about understanding the concept. If you are having the question regarding the rainfall, what you will write about the rainfall? One similarity and two differences, right, of both the cities. Whereas if you are having a question regarding temperature, again one similarity and two differences of the temperature of both the cities. Now the list of possible answers are here and you can observe all from this provided marking scheme. So now let's quickly move ahead towards another type of question. Students, sometimes you are only getting a single graph. Sometimes you get two graphs, sometimes for comparison, that is city A, city B, or city Lahore, city Multan, and so on. Or sometimes you are just getting a single graph. Alright? When you are getting a single graph, there is no comparison between two graphs. Only a single graph. Again, a pattern has been given in which over here they are asking you complete 2.1 July using the information below. And over here they are asking you to complete temperature 36. Okay. Now July, this is the month July, and temperature they are asking for 36. So here is 30, here is 30, and if I observe, okay, let me zoom in. Alright. So if I observe, the one box is equals to 1 Celsius. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, here we go. In the center we are having the dot. So here you go. Oops, over here. So with this, students, you will be joining. First you'll make a dot in between, and then you will be joining both the lines. Okay. So this is how we are completing our line graph, and the line is, what is it representing? Line represents temperature, whereas the bar represents rainfall. Alright? Okay. Now the second thing they are asking is rainfall 5 millimeters. Where do we have to do? It's for the month of July. Alright. Let's do 5 millimeters. Now 5 millimeters means 5 millimeters means one box. जैसे मैंने आपको पहले बताया था. Okay, that's what I was explaining you. You check out the given graph over here. What are they explaining you? On the y-axis, what are we having? Now, just check it out. It's 0 and 10. That means there are 10 boxes and one box is equals to 1 millimeter. Okay, that's you need to check out. This is always important to check out these provided information to you. In the last graph, one box of the rainfall is equals to 5 millimeters. Over here, now here's the trick. The single box is equals to 1 millimeter. So don't get confused in this. You need to just calmly observe the graph first. Okay. Now let's just go through it. 5 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we go. I hope I'm in the 5 correctly. I'm doing it. This is July, and this is how we are going to make a graph, a bar graph. Are we done with that? Have we completed? Okay. If yes, just check it out. Okay. So this is how beta we are going to complete. According to given information, we will be completing. Now again the question, but there is a difference, student. There is a difference. Next याद करके आ गया. आप वही क्वेश्चन तो दोबारा बता रही हैं. मैं बिल्कुल वही क्वेश्चन दोबारा. Alright, so my dear students, अगर हम बात कर रहे हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 की, so you'll be saying, oh teacher, come on, why you explain it again? We have just done it. So why you are repeating it again? I'm not repeating it at all. Because there is a different command word over here. Firstly, it's not two graphs given. It's just a single graph. Observe this. And then they are giving you another command word, which means describe. In describe, we simply state facts. Okay, we do not compare them. We simply state the facts. In geography, in a describe type question, we simply state the fact. Okay. So with this beta, how we are going to explain this question, we will be doing it with the help of the marking scheme. Here is the marking scheme for that graph. Basically, students try to understand when there is a describe type question. When there is a describe type question actually, so the marking scheme is that when they are asking you describe the climate, so that's when they are asking you to describe 3 facts. Describe basically 3 facts, in which either 2 facts can be of temperature and 1 fact can be of rainfall. या इसके बरक्स 2 facts, it could be of 2 facts for rainfall, 2 for rainfall and 1 for temperature. All together आप हमें दोगे 3 facts. तो किस तरह से ये 2 facts होंगे? अब हम marking scheme read करते हैं and then we'll be understanding with the help of the marking scheme. आप पहले ये भी बता सकते हैं कि high temperature, it have the graph showing the high temperatures or hot summer during the hot summer. Or you can also tell us that the graph we can observe in the graph that it has mild temperature, that's mean cool during the winter. ठीक है, आप ये भी बता सकते हो क्योंकि टू फैक्ट्स हो गए, अब आपको एक फैक्ट उसका देना है रेनफॉल का। आप रेनफॉल में ये भी हमें बता सकते हैं कि मई जून सितंबर अक्टूबर दीज मंथ्स आर हैविंग नो रेनफॉल। डन। आपने 3 मार्क के क्वेश्चन में 2 फैक्ट्स दे दिए रेनफॉल के, सॉरी टेम्परेचर के, और एक फैक्ट दे दिया आपने रेनफॉल का। लेकिन आप ये भी कर सकते हो कि आप कोई भी 2 फैक्ट दे सकते हो रेनफॉल के, सच एज आप ये बता सकते हो the city is having arid dry climate that is very low rainfall and most rainfall from December till January and April. The mostly rainfall that we are having in the city is from December, January, April. All right. तो बेटा आप कोई भी 2 फैक्ट्स बता सकते हो रेनफॉल के, और फिर बच गया एक टेम्परेचर, तो उसमें आप ये भी लिख सकते हो कि लोएस्ट टेम्परेचर इज इन द मंथ ऑफ जनवरी, या लोएस्ट टेम्परेचर इज 12 सेंटीग्रेड, 12 सेल्सियस। डन। So beta, the key is whenever you have been given a question regarding describe the climate. So remember climate means rainfall, temperature both, जिसका मतलब है कि 2 facts you're going to write down regarding temperature, या तो फिर अगर आप 2 facts rainfall का लिख रहे हैं तो 1 fact उसका opposite का लिखेंगे, यानी कि अगर आप 2 facts rainfall के लिख रहे हो तो एक fact आप लिखोगे temperature का, और 2 fact अगर आप temperature के start में लिख रहे हो तो लास्ट में एक fact लिखोगे rainfall का। लिखेंगे कब होगा? जब आपसे एग्जामिनर पूछेगा describe the climate. Don't get confused. In describe, we simply state facts, and in compare, we do comparison. And in comparison, we always write one similarity, 2 differences if the question is of 3 marks. Alright? Quickly moving ahead, there are few more questions that we need to just look into it. Sometimes, beta, they are also asking you about what is average rainfall temperature. Now, average कैसे निकलता है? For average beta, you need to add the sum of all the month's temperature. You need to first take out the sum of all. You need to just take out each month temperature, write it down and start adding them with another. तो अगर हमने तमाम टेम्परेचर को ऐड किया तो हमारे पास आंसर आ रहा है 293. And then I will be dividing it with 12. Why 12? Because the total number of the months in a year is 12. So that you will be getting the answer this. But just check it out. You can get the answer 24.4 or 24.42 to 2 decimal places. You can just write the answer like this also. This is also has been suggested by CIs. Okay, हम बिल्कुल CIs को follow कर रहे हैं। अच्छा, CIs में एक और adjustment होती है कि आपको थोड़ा सा leverage दिया जाता है कि exact answer अगर आप कह रहे हो कि 24.4 तो एक range होती है. Answer is always check in a range. There is a leverage. Alright, they give you a range. Not exactly 24 point will be the correct answer. So it depends on the examiner at that year what range they have set. So they might say that from 23 till 24 all answers are accepted. It depends what CI say. Alright. So because these questions I have created from myself, so I cannot share the CI marking scheme of it. Because we need to make you practice. आपने last time देखा होगा कि mean temperature का जिक्र था और मैंने आपसे कहा था कि I will be sharing it in a while. So बेटा, how to take out the mean temperature? For the mean temperature students, you need to add all months temperature and divide it by 12. Then again another question, if be it's about the rainfall, about the temperature, the same mean temperature, same mean pattern, same mean formula, that is the sum of all rainfall of the month divided by 12. What is the temperature range? Always remember students, the range that we are taking out, the range is basically subtracting the highest temperature or rainfall month from the lowest. यहाँ पे बात की what is the temperature range. अगर आपसे पूछा गया होता rainfall range तो आप ढूंढते what is the highest rainfall month and the lowest rainfall, and then you will be writing their units. Okay, आप उनकी यूनिट्स लिखते हैं and then you just get the answer. By subtracting you will get the answer. हम रेंज कैसे मालूम करते हैं? From subtracting the highest to the lowest. So with this I'm ending up my video beta. If there is any confusion, feel free to comment. I will definitely make another video and make you understand and clarify what was not completely understandable for you. Okay, so do like and share my video. Please subscribe my channel. Take care everyone. Allah Hafiz.